Hello my lovely people, I hope you guys doing well and safe at home. In today's tutorial, I'm going to reveal how to do skin rendering with watercolors. I usually use watercolors for skin rendering. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. As you can see, I have completed sketching. After sketching, I will start to do outline with the help of fine liners. I have this Micron 005. You can use whatever you have. Let's start now. It is a bit time consuming. You have to be careful while applying a fine liner because if it goes wrong, you can't correct it. So don't make hassle, go slow. Once it gets done, the outlining is complete now. On that point, you can erase extra graphite from your sketch. As you can see, I am doing the same. Now we are moving on the very interesting part of the video, the skin rendering. For that, I am going to begin with a burnt sienna and mixed it with a burnt umber in a very low amount. Mixed it both of color well. As you know, it is the first layer of the color, so it would be a light. Start applying color from side corner of the forehead. Move downward to the neck, arms and upper torso. Always remember that whenever you paint face or neck, the neck would be darker than face because of the shadow which affect on her neck. So do not forget to add shadow like I did here. Adding some shadows on her stomach. As you can see, I don't paint all over her body. There is a reason behind it, because I don't want to create highlights separately. I will create it from the leftover part. You will see how naturally it will come up at the last. Now I will complete rest body part and leave with some space on it. I have to let it dry. Till then I should do some work on her face. I washed her face with the base color for now, but later I will work on it in a detail. So here I am fast forwarding the process. Okay, so let's move on into the second layer. For that, again I take a burnt sienna and add a good amount of burnt umber. This time burnt umber would be more than burnt sienna. Now start applying on a painted area as a second layer. As you can notice, I apply color on my first layer, but I am not covering up it completely. To work on her face like I talked about earlier. So as you can see, I am putting color on around her eyelids, both side of nose, upper lip, beneath the lower lip, like near to her jawline. If you girls doing makeup, you know how to contour your face. You have to do exactly the same here, but with colors. It is really fun. When you work with watercolors, you can correct your mistakes as many times as you want. So without any fear, just paint it. burnt umber and mixed with ultramarine blue. You can add cobalt blue, violet, sap green, but not black, because black have their tendency to ruin your artwork if the things went wrong. So avoid using black color directly or indirectly. And I will not use this mixture on everywhere, but only a few parts, like on her hand, crease, nostril, eyebrows, beneath the burst area, and that's enough. So let's move on her hair. I diluted the same color with water and washed her hair. A little bit work on her face. So if you lovely people like this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I also added my previous videos link in the I button. Please go and check out. With the help of this fine liner, I will add some final details on her face and on her hair. For lips, I have used rust color, only gives a outline on her lips, and washed it with a wet brush. I use black fine liner again to complete her bikini. So I'm gonna fast forwarding the process. So here it is, my final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If yes, give it thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates and fun art videos. Stay tuned with the Splash Master. Till then, share your love. I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.